out on the porch. And check it out. She's just out here content as can be. Just checking out all the sights and sounds on the porch. But it's time to come in now, baby, because dinner time's soon. All right? You know what? I changed my mind. I'm not going to bring her in. We were waiting for Tally and Shanti. It's probably going to be about at least 45 minutes or so till dinner, and she is just so content. I'm not even going to move her. I'll leave her right here where she is so she can check it out. Beautiful sights and sounds here at the Chi homestead. The porch. This is the cat. This is my office, actually. The porch, where I work right there. Okay. Here we go.